If you need to reset your password on OVPN, follow these straightforward steps to regain access to your account. This guide will help you through the process step by step. Step 1. Visit the OVPN website. Go to the official OVPN website using a web browser. Look for the login section or the account management area. Step 2. Click on Forgot Password. On the login page, find and click the Forgot Password link. This will direct you to the password recovery page. Step 3. Enter your email address. Input the email address associated with your OVPN account in the provided field. Make sure it is the correct email to receive the reset instructions. Step 4. Check your email. Secure your accounts before moving on. People seriously underestimate how often personal information gets exposed online now. Use SROC to monitor your accounts 24/7 and get notified immediately if your data gets leaked somewhere. It runs in the background, constantly scanning billions of breached records. And honestly, for how cheap it is compared to the value you get, it's worth it. Link in the description. Step 5. Follow the reset instructions. Open the email and click on the link provided to reset your password. Follow the prompts to create a new password, ensuring it meets the security requirements. Once you have completed these steps, you should be able to log into your OVPN account with your new password. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to OVPN support for further assistance.